What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. I recently purchased the newest iPad and Apple Pencils, so I'm going to be unboxing them and giving you guys my opinions, review, any info I think you should know before purchasing it. So I actually bought this a couple days ago. I'm just getting to filming it now because I wanted to have a couple more thoughts on it, but I did film me unboxing it a couple days ago, so I'll just show you guys those clips on the screen while I am talking about it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I will also be linking everything in the description, the iPad, Apple Pencil, and the case that I bought. It's not in yet, but I'll just go ahead and link it for y'all as well. It has the keyboard and little Apple Pencil holder. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the price. So this is the iPad 8th generation. It's the 10.2 inch screen, and then it's the 32 gigabyte with just the Wi-Fi. And I purchased the iPad itself for $299 at Best Buy, and the Apple Pencil for $95 at Best Buy. Now the prices are a little bit more on Best Buy's website. However, they do price matching, which is super helpful. On Best Buy, I believe it was like $330 or something. So it was like $30 discounted of the iPad and only like $5 with the pencil. But if you just pull up the cheapest that you can find them in stores, they will price match that. It can't be some like online only thing. I think it has to be in a store or else they won't price match it. So, and like I said, this is the 8th generation, which is the newest, most basic iPad that's out. This isn't the Air or the Pro. I obviously really wanted the Pro, but that is a bit out of my budget. So for what I'm using it for, this was really the perfect one for me. I also wanted to mention that the 7th generation iPad is very similar to this one. From what I researched, there is pretty much no differences. I could be wrong, but I did want the 7th generation one just since it is a little bit cheaper, but I couldn't find it anywhere. This is the newest version. Pretty much everything that's in stores is this version. They don't really sell the 7th generation as much. So moving on to the clips of me unboxing the actual iPad. What comes in the iPad box is obviously your iPad, and it also comes with a USB-C lightning cable and a USB-C power adapter. So those are gonna be a little bit different than the USB. They're kind of the new ones that Apple's been putting into their products as well. So I'll kind of show you guys the difference on the screen here. That's everything that comes in the iPad box. Now for the Apple Pencil, and here comes with an extra tip and an extra little I guess adapter to charge your pencil. If you take off the little bottom of this, you can plug it into your iPad to charge. There you go, and it's charging. Or you can use the little adapter and plug one into this and another into another phone charger. So very easy to charge this thing. This charges in about 10 minutes, so super quick, and the charge also lasts a pretty long time. I'm definitely very happy I purchased the Apple Pencil. I wouldn't say it's a must unless you're using Procreate, and I'll get into that a little bit later. But for me, that is one of the main reasons I got an iPad in general, and if you're gonna be using Procreate, this is definitely an essential. But otherwise, you don't really need it. Alright, so now on to why I chose this specific model. So like I said earlier, I purchased the cheapest one that is on the market right now. There is the Air and the Pro. The Pro is definitely great for graphic design, and if you want to use it kind of like a computer, definitely upgrade for the Pro or something. But for me, I mainly bought this to use Procreate and to use it for taking notes in school. Maybe if I want to go to a coffee shop and, you know, do something on Google Docs, I can just bring my iPad there and not have to worry about my computer. But yeah, Procreate was a huge reason in my purchase. I was using the Procreate Pocket app on my little phone, and that was just not working out for me, and it was insanely hard to get the look I really wanted to on my phone. Trying to handwrite something on your little phone versus a big screen like this is just a very big difference. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about Procreate and show you guys on the screen what I'm currently working on. I will link down below some of the videos I use to learn all the basics for beginners. I don't know a ton right now, so I'm not gonna do a tutorial or anything because not that talented. So Procreate on the iPad is $9.99 in the App Store, and GoodNotes, which is the app I got to take notes on as well, was $7 I believe. So definitely both very much worth it. Alright, so now I'm gonna do a quick little review and show you how I set up my iPad a little bit. So far I've used it for mainly little titles or GIFs in my videos, kind of like this one. I've used it in I think all my videos so far. So if you see any like handwritten GIFs, that was using Procreate. So here's just a quick little example on Procreate, something that I would do. I really like the 6B pencil and all of the calligraphy brushes. The brush pen is definitely one of my favorites. So this is also something a lot of people use for creating stickers on Redbubble and everything. I attempted a couple and they're just not good. So I don't think a sticker shop will be coming anytime soon, but I am practicing my gift skills. Maybe I'll upload some to Instagram. Definitely my new fun little hobby for now. And then also, this is just how I have my iPad set up. I pretty much have everything on one screen because I really don't have a ton of apps so far. So yeah, that is pretty much everything about my new iPad and Apple Pencil. Like I said, I will leave links and information and everything in the description if you want to go check those out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up as always, and subscribe to my channel for some more lifestyle content. I have new videos going up every single Wednesday, so make sure you subscribe to stick around. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week with another new video. Bye guys!